Dear students, today we shall know about a short story. Story The New Dress. Writer Virginia Woolf. This story was written in 1924. Children, Virginia Woolf was born Adeline Virginia Stephen in London in 1882. She was a novelist, essayist, and critic. Her notable works are Mrs. Dalloway, To the Lighthouse, Orlando, The Voyage Out, Jacob's Room, etc. She was one of the most distinguished writers in mid-20th century. Children, she fell deep in literature at her early age. She was nurtured in intellectual atmosphere of the Bloomsbury Group in London. The Hogarth Press was a British publishing house founded in 1917 by Virginia and her husband, the British author Leonard Woolf. Children, Virginia Woolf is famous for the stream of consciousness technique in her writing. Stream of consciousness aims at expressing in words the flow of characters' thoughts and feelings in their minds. This technique or device aspires to give the readers the impression of being inside the minds of the character. This device lets the readers know how thoughts flow through the mind of the character. Children, writer Virginia Woolf has used this stream of consciousness technique in this story, The New Dress. The protagonist or the chief character of the story is Mabel Waring. She is a middle-aged lady. She had to attend a party, a social gathering. She was invited by Mrs. Clarissa Dalloway. Mrs. Clarissa Dalloway was the hostess of the party that Mabel Waring attended. Mrs. Dalloway is a rich and socially prominent lady. Mrs. Mabel wore a yellow dress that she designed with a dressmaker for this particular occasion. She had taken an image from an old-fashioned magazine of her mother from Paris and spent lots of time with a dressmaker to get the design of her dress. She wanted to make this dress just perfect for this social gathering. Latest designed new fashionable dress would cost her more. New fashionable stylish dress would have been financially expensive, which was out of her reach. Dear children, she wished to make an image of perfection of herself with this old-fashioned dress. The date of invitation arrived. Mabel Waring stepped into Mrs. Dalloway's party. She saw the well-dressed of elevated society's people in the party. After greeting Mrs. Dalloway, the hostess of the party, she immediately went straight to a mirror to look at herself. She was filled with insecurity after seeing her image in the mirror. She said to herself, it was not quite right, not quite right. She was filled with insecurity and inadequacy. It was her conviction, her strong belief that the dress was not right for this party. She imagined the other guests exclaiming to themselves, what a fright she looks! What a hideous new dress! What an unpleasant dress! Mabel became anxious with her look in the new dress. She thought of the new dress as a horror idiotically old-fashioned. She began to torment herself with obsessive thoughts of her old-fashioned new dress. She got severe mental sufferings. The outdated and old-fashioned yellow dress was a trouble to her constantly in the party. She could not remove her anxious thoughts during her stay in the party. Her anxiety occupied her mind strongly that she could not have a proper conversation with any guests. She could not simply interact with anyone in the party. Rose Shaw was another guest in that party who was stylishly dressed. Rose Shaw praised Mabel's dress. She said Mabel's dress is perfectly charming. This praise did not satisfy Mabel. Mabel thought Roadshow was mocking at her. Dear students, the fly is an important symbol in this story. Mabel refers to herself as a fly in a saucer. She could not escape from it as the milk had covered her wings. She visualized that the other guests in the party were butterflies and dragonflies. They were able to dance and fly. She alone remained in the saucer. The fly thus symbolized Mabel's isolation from the others, that is, estrangement. Children, estrangement is the fact of no longer being on friendly terms or part of a social group. She began to suffer from alienation. That means she began to experience the feeling of isolation. Dear children, Mabel Waring told a guest that she felt like some dowdy, decrepit, horribly dingy old fly. That means she felt herself an unfashionable and unstylish lady in appearance. She felt herself ruined because of age. She felt herself shockingly unpleasant in look, who could not match the graceful presence of other guests in the party. Children, Mabel Waring was in the grip of obsession. She was not able to resist her sufferings, her mental pain. Obsession is an idea or thought that continually preoccupies on a person's mind. Mabel Waring was consumed by the feelings of inferiority. She was obsessed with her negative thoughts that her new dress was not appropriate for this party. Mabel became self-conscious. She was painfully convinced that she was the target of mockery of the other guests. She felt herself rejected in the party. She thought of leaving the party early. Mrs. Dalloway encouraged her to stay longer, but Mabel assured Mrs. Dalloway that she had enjoyed herself fully in the party and she felt like going out. Yes, she left the party early. Now, the new dress turned into an object that enhanced her anxiety. And her anxious thoughts converted into an anxiety disorder. Children, you must have noticed how thoughts of Mabel access to flow through her conscious mind. Children, did you notice how Mabel's thoughts started to flow or stream in her mind? Dear children, please go through the story. Please notice how Mabel Waring began to distance herself from the others in her emotional distress. This is self-alienation of Mabel Waring. Children, that brought her loneliness. She was in agony, pain, and anxiety. This anxiety made her emotionally unstable. She remembered how happy and comfortable she felt at the dressmaker, Miss Millen, when she pinned her hem, asked her about the length of the dress. But this image vanished quickly from her mind. She came back to the present. She is woken awake to reality. She was obsessed herself for caring what others thought of her. She reflected constantly about her alienation from the members of the high-class level of society in the party. She spent much of her time at the party fretting over inappropriateness of her new dress, the yellow dress. Mabel's self-absorption isolated her from the other party guests. She imagined the guest making fun of her new dress. Oh, these men, oh, these women. All were thinking, what's Mabel wearing? What's Mabel wearing? Throughout the new dress, the disparity between Mabel's class status and that of other guests is highlighted as Mabel compared her clothes to those at the party. She concluded that She could not be fashionable because she was not rich. Dear children, please read the story mindfully and write to me if there is any problem to understand. Please like the video to inspire me, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Stay safe. Happy learning. See you soon with my new video. Have a nice time.